Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about possibly the largest wader in Sri Lanka, the Eurasian curlew. The Eurasian curlew or common curlew is a wader. It is one of the most widespread of the curlews, breeding across temperate Europe and Asia. Scimitar-billed large shorebird of varied open habitats, overall brown plumage and long decurved bill. In flight shows white back patch, mostly white underwings. Breeds mainly in grasslands from coastal marshes to upland moors. Winters mainly in coastal lowlands, especially mudflats and adjacent marshes. In Europe, this species is often referred to as the curlew, and in Scotland known as whaup in Scots. Their calls are like locally named Urasiya Kalikaya. I have not seen this bird. One of the best places to see this bird is Mannar in Sri Lanka. Did you know that they are believed to be an ancient bridge between India and Sri Lanka? This is called the Adam's Bridge or Rama's Bridge or Rama Setu. Today this bridge does not exist, but you still find what is believed to be columns of the bridge. Even a satellite image shows what would have been the bridge between the two countries. The starting point of this bridge in Sri Lanka is Mannar.